Your Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe. Anyway, we're gonna take it on a healthy day today. Salad for the week. A healthy salad for the week. That's what happened at the moment. Stay healthy, look healthy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, Google Plus. Get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo on the team. Anyway, guys, today healthy salad. That's where it is. It's summer. The time is hot. You want something to, you know what I mean, keep you cool and calm. And you know, we're gonna do a lot of healthy recipe, healthy smoothie, and healthy salad. So today I wanna share with you a recipe which I have rested on my heart long time. So right here I have some mixed leaf right here. Got some rocket and leaf and some spinach. Basically I have a few more ingredients over here which you guys can see, which I have like red onion, cucumber, tomato, olive, and I have some, this is some beetroot which I cut up earlier, and I have some mixed pepper, spring onion. All of these ingredients are gonna go together. It's gonna be a healthy recipe, and that's the best way you can have your salad. Weight loss recipe, good to have at home. So guys, stay tuned and you know me, enjoy the recipe. And I have nice, lovely recipe will be coming for you guys for the summer. Alright? So this is how we're going to be doing it today. Very easy, simple, and this is all. Basically, this is how we're gonna start. As I say, I explained it earlier. We got the mixed leaf, and right over here I have some fresh cucumber. So this is how we're gonna do. We're gonna be using half of a cucumber. So we're just gonna simple cut it up like this. I love cucumber. I'm gonna chuck it straight in it like this. And I'm gonna get the other rest, and we're gonna do it just like this. Take a little time and cut your cucumber. Lovely. Then we got the tomato. Same thing with the tomato. Then we got the black olive. We're gonna put some black olive in it, just like that. And I use roughly about a quarter of the red onion. Straight in it. We got some spring onion. Lovely. Just gonna get a piece of a pepper. Also red pepper. Got yellow pepper. Lovely. Alright, then just gonna simple mix it up like this. But basically, remember, you don't need to add any olive oil or anything else in it. Alright guys, more than, as you can see, simple as that. Alright, second thing, it's gonna be transferred into this bowl right here. Just like this. Lovely. Alright, then after you transfer into that big bowl, what we're going to do, we're just going to get that nice lovely beetroot. Get some fresh beetroot and a simple cut it up, guys. And that's exactly what you see I'm doing right here. Get a little bit of pepper. Cracked pepper. Look at that. That is amazing to have for your lunch and have it during the week. So hopefully guys like the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. And also we got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming for the fans. I love you all, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and this is a say healthy salad, healthy lifestyle, healthy recipe, and stay to your healthy recipe guys. I can't go wrong. So full recipe will be on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Visit my website, Chef Ricardo Co, chefricardocooking.co.uk. Bye bye.